Your rep is walking into the meeting with last month's news. The buying window opened this week and closed before they knew it existed. The weekly industry intelligence and signal digest ingests every material signal that hit the vertical in the past 7 days and translates each one into a direct pitch angle for the seller. From the executive snapshot to a ranked action framework, every weekly signal decoded and connected to your pipeline. Drop in a vertical, the agent handles the rest. The week's headline and the 3 shifts every seller needs to know. The macro pressure on OEM budgets and what it means for pipeline timing. The compliance mandate that just became a commercial opportunity. The platform and organization changes that open new entry points. The deals that close this week and the integration work they leave behind. The partnerships and investments that signal where the next budget is going. The technology bets that landed this week and which ones need a delivery partner. 5 actions to take now, each tied to a signal that happened this week. The buying window opened this week. Draup's weekly industry intelligence and signal digest. Every material signal in your vertical translated into actions your sellers can use today.